everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you an easy recipe for a Copycat Taco Bell's Mexican pizza. If you love their Mexican pizzas, well, you can now make them at home and they are just as good. So if you want to learn how to make these yummies, stay tuned and I will show you how. For this recipe, I'll be using 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And these are the seasonings: chili powder, onion flakes, paprika, garlic and onion powder, 1.5 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to be using La Victoria red chili sauce and Mexican style cheese blend, some sliced black olives, and of course the original Taco Bell refried beans. I'll also be using green onion, and don't forget your tomato. I'll be using soft taco flour tortillas. To begin with, I'm going to add just a little bit of water to my pan, tossing in my ground beef, the flour, and I'm going to toss in all my spices. I'm going to be cooking this until it browns. Once it browns, I am going to be removing it into a bowl, trying to not pick up any of that leftover grease. And all I'm going to be doing here is heating up my beans. So of course this doesn't take much time. Once those are done, I am now going to be crisping my tortillas. So I am using vegetable shortening. I'm going to be adding in vegetable shortening and then crisping the tortilla, and then I'll add more vegetable shortening to the other tortilla and then crisp that one. So in between tortillas, I'll be adding the vegetable shortening. And you want to press down on the tortilla so that it crisps good on the bottom. And here I'm doing my last tortilla. You will be needing 2 tortillas per pizza. Once those are done, I am going to prep my baking sheet. I'm just going to lay some foil on top of it and set this aside. And here are all my tortillas, and we are ready to assemble. And in order, you're going to grab a tortilla, You're going to smother some beans. You can add as little or as much as you like of any of these ingredients. I'm adding the ground beef. And I'm going to top that with the other tortilla. Add the enchilada sauce. I'll be adding the cheese now, and I love cheese, so I will be adding plenty of it. Now goes the tomato. The green onion. And last but not least, the olives. You don't like olives? Don't add them. And now that this is done, I prepped the other tortilla, and this is gonna go in a 350-degree oven just until the cheese melts. And once that has melted, I am going to cut this pizza style, of course. And your Mexican pizzas are done. Good thing I have leftover condiments from Taco Bell, so I will be having some of their salsa with these babies. I want to thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you next time. Bye.